Good morning. My name is Manuel. I'm an agency business development manager at Google, and I'm here with Andrew Young, the CEO of Core and More Technologies, which is one of our Google Premier partners. Hi, Andrew.
Good morning, Manuel. Thanks for having us today.
Thank you. So tell us a bit more about Core and More Technologies.
Core and More Technologies was founded in 2010. We're a full-service digital marketing agency at this point. We're located in majestic Asbury Park, New Jersey, on the Jersey coast, and we provide the entire suite of digital marketing services, including world-class website design and development, integrated search engine marketing and search engine optimization, paid search promotions that span shopping, search partners, remarketing, etc., and social media marketing, as well as CRM integration and marketing automation solutions. Most recently, we've added on to our entire suite of offerings PR and video promotions as well.
So you've been one of our first Google Premier partners, but for how long have you been a Google partner?
Since 2011, about a year after our inception as a company.
That's great.
Yep.
And thinking about your clients now, when you think about client success, what do you think about? How does it look like for you?
Well, that's a great question, Manuel. When I reflect on what the success really looks like, obviously, our job is to be able to help them to accelerate their growth and visibility across the major search engines, most importantly Google, and to exceed their financial return objectives. To me, whether it's a New York conglomerate, a Silicon Valley startup, or a local service provider, we take it as a tremendous compliment that they've chosen to partner with us. And there's a million companies that they can choose from. And to that end, you have to think about it. The folks that chose us, they're not just going to work to kill time. At least to some extent, they're there to improve the quality of life for themselves and their families. And when I think about that, I think about the success that we've been able to deliver for our clients. We have a 100% customer retention rate. I'd like to think that we're helping them to move up in the company and to advance in their careers. And that's something I really feel good about that, and it's very important to us. And it makes for a more successful company on both sides, theirs and ours.
So earlier we were talking about one of your success stories where you had the most impact with Core and More Technologies. Can you tell us a bit more about that?
Sure. Theirs is a great success story, actually, and their rise kind of parallels the rise of Google itself. They are a major online perfume retailer located in New Jersey, started in 1999 with a couple of boxes of perfume in a basement. And now they have over 3,000 product SKUs, and they continue to grow. And they're very nice people, and they're very technically savvy. So we're on calls with them on a weekly basis, even 2 years into it. We started working with them back in 2015, and unfortunately, their performance at that time had kind of flattened out. Our AdWords representative actually referred to them as a quote-unquote AdWords junkyard. We ended up deleting over 80,000 advertisements that were disapproved. It was a real mess, and their shopping feed was in disastrous shape. They were about to be suspended, and we came to the rescue.
What was your strategy there?
It was multidimensional. The first thing we did is using the various tools that are available to us through the AdWords platform, including but not limited to day parting, the ability to look at the performance metrics throughout the course of the day, throughout the day of the week, across various regions, by product, by brand, by SKU. We built a massive spreadsheet. The team thought I was crazy. They wanted to kill me. But we really needed to do that, and that's something we do for all of our clients. Google makes it easy to do that, by the way. And it's become easier over time with some of the performance enhancements that have been made available through the platform, not the least of which is Auction Insights. So we were able to implement a strategy that showed us prioritization of the top performing days and hours of the week. For example, we might see that the highest conversion volume was on a Monday between the hours of noon and 3 in New York. Why wouldn't we want to increase our impression share between those hours in that location? And we prioritized based on that type of a strategy. Then we introduced additional automated bidding strategies such as target CPA, target return on ad spend. We rolled out an automated feed update through structured data. That resolved the issues with their shopping feed. We completely renovated their inventory management system so that now we can get products to market the fastest ever in the history of their company and with a level of efficiency that they had never enjoyed before. So all of that has led to, you know, a very favorable result over the years.
What were the results since you started, and how was the change in CPA and conversions in profits and sales? I know you have some numbers, right?
The numbers have been tremendous, I'm happy to say. The first half of 2017, we're enjoying I think it's 10% year-over-year increase in overall sales, and that's similar to what we enjoyed in 2016 over 2015. At the same time, our CPA, inversely proportional, has gone down 20% across those years. Knowing that the trend towards mobile shopping has increased exponentially over the years, we've also placed an additional strategy around mobile advertisements specifically. Not click-to-call, but click-to-purchase. And the results have been better than any of the other channels we're seeing, not just with Google advertising, but across all of their advertising channels. They told us that. A 36% increase in 2017 over 2016, and a whopping 281% increase over 2015. Those are phenomenal results.
Andrew, if I launch an e-commerce business today, or if I launch a B2B business and I need more leads, why should I choose Core and More Technologies?
That's a great question, Manuel. Thank you for asking it. At Core and More Technologies, our philosophy is to treat every customer like they are our only customer. That kind of gift of desperation, if you will, that comes with a young business, we're really beyond that, but we keep that philosophy because it really holds us to a higher standard. Ours is more about attraction than promotion. When we can place advertisements out across the web, I think the display network gives us reach to 98% of internet users in the United States today, with messaging that isn't so sales-esque, but it almost comes off as it's endorsed rather than just placed there to sell you something, that's a win-win. We keep our marketers focused on marketing. That's another factor. We never burden them with having to generate reports and get into all the laborious things that distract them from adding value and increasing the results for the clients that they're managing. By way of doing that, we streamline our ability to take the latest innovations from Google and to convert that into actual actions that value our clients.
Thank you very much for coming, Andrew, and thanks for being such a good Google Premier partner.
You're welcome, Manuel. Thank you for inviting me in today. It's much appreciated.
Thank you very much.
Look forward to working with you more in the future.